In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly on Google Forms. By the end, you'll have Grammarly checking your spelling and grammar right inside your forms, so your questions and descriptions look polished and professional. Start by opening your web browser. I'll demonstrate in Google Chrome, since Grammarly's extension is built for Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the main menu. In that menu, move your cursor over extensions to reveal more options, then select Visit Chrome Web Store. This takes you straight to the place where you can install browser add-ons safely. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, use the search bar at the top and type Grammarly. You're looking for the official Grammarly extension, which appears as Grammarly AI Writing and Grammar Checker. Open its page, then click Add to Chrome. A small dialog will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in a moment, and you'll get a brief confirmation. You may also see the puzzle-shaped extensions icon light up. If you want quick access, you can pin Grammarly from that puzzle icon, though pinning is optional and not required for it to work. If prompted, sign into Grammarly or quickly set your preferences. The free version is enough for spelling and basic grammar on forms, and you can always adjust settings later. Now, open Google Forms and load the form you're working on, or start a new one. Click into any text field. This could be your form title, a question, a description, or an answer keynote. You'll notice a small Grammarly indicator often near the bottom right of the text box, and underlines may appear as you type. Red underlines usually mean spelling issues, while other colors can suggest grammar, clarity, or conciseness improvements. To review a suggestion, click the underline or the Grammarly indicator. A small card will open with a quick explanation and a recommended fix. Click to accept the change, or dismiss it if it doesn't fit your wording or tone. Continue typing and reviewing suggestions as you build your form. Grammarly works in real time, so you'll see updates immediately. If you don't see suggestions, try refreshing the page and make sure the extension is enabled in Chrome. Also check that you're typing in a standard text field within the form. That's it. You installed Grammarly, opened your form, and you can now refine your text as you go, keeping your questions clear and error-free.